Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful hexagon pattern for crochet tops. I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn for this project and a 4mm crochet hook size. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this, and with the help of hook, pull the second yarn through first one to make a magic ring like this. Start the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the string of chain and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the magic ring. Make chain 1 again, make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. In this way, we would make 6 sets of 2 double crochet stitches plus chain 1. Now make chain 1 and close the magic ring by pulling the starting yarn and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, weave these 2 yarn ends with the help of needle. I have woven the yarn ends. Now for the second round, change the color, make a slip knot of this yarn and join it in any chain 1 space. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here also. Make a double crochet into this same chain 1 space. Make chain 1, chain 2 and in this same chain 1 space again make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now go into the next chain 1 space between double crochet stitches, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, again double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Make shell stitches in every chain 1 space by making 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet till the end. So I have completed my shell stitches. Make a slip stitch into the third chain. Then in this chain 2 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6 and then double crochet 7. After making 7 double crochet stitches here, make a slip stitch in the space between these set of 2 double crochet stitches of shell stitch. Now into the next chain 2 space of shell stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and then slip stitch in this space between the set of 2 double crochet stitches of shell stitch. So make 7 double crochet in each chain 2 space till the end. So I have made this third round and we won the yarn end. Now we would change the color again. So in any shell, start from the 4th stitch, join this yarn in this 4th stitch and we would start working. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, then into the next double crochet stitch make a double crochet, then into the next one make a double crochet, then into the next one make a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around crochet hook 2 times and in the space between set of 2 double crochet stitches draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops 3 times to make a treble crochet stitch in this space where we have made a slip stitch in previous round. Make a double crochet into the next shell, first double crochet, then into the next double crochet stitch make a double crochet, then into the third one make a double crochet. Now here is 4th stitch, make a double crochet in this 4th stitch, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, make a double crochet in this same 4th stitch again because this is our corner. Now make a double crochet into the 5th stitch, double crochet into the 6th stitch and then last stitch which is 7th stitch, and then wrap the yarn around crochet hook twice again, go into this same space where we have made slip stitch before, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, pull the yarn through other 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch. Go into the next shell, in the first stitch make a double crochet, then into the second stitch make a double crochet, and after that make a double crochet into the third stitch. And now is the 4th stitch which is our corner stitch again, make a double crochet stitch into it, then make 3 chains and a double crochet stitch again into this 4th stitch. So this is our pattern. Repeat this pattern for the corners and complete this round till the end. Now here is our last corner, make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into this starting third chain which is made in 4th stitch. Now make 3 chains, make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3, then a double crochet into the next one, make double crochets till the corner chain 3 space, and now in the corner chain 3 space make double crochet 1, 3 chains and again a double crochet stitch. Remember to make 1 double crochet in every treble crochet stitch as well. Now double crochet in stitches which are next after chain 3, So repeat this process till the end of this round. And here is our chain 3 space again. Make double crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet, and a slip stitch into the third chain. This is our last round. Now pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and now weave this yarn end with the help of needle. Take this yarn strand to the back side by pulling the needle through back side. And now, first of all, make a knot like this way. Benefit of making this knot is our stitches would not get loose. And now weave this yarn end in some backside stitches of last round. Now cut the extra yarn strand. And our very beautiful hexagon pattern is ready. You can use it in different crochet projects. You can make cushions, crochet tops, bags, etc. with this pattern. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in future. Thank you for watching.